So this is the old Schulte United building. It's a 4-story building. It was built originally as a department store, and it had been through many different iterations. So this whole space just had all these weird angles and things sticking out of it. And I wanted something that could kind of tie all that in together and make it more smooth and more organic. So I used this linear, kind of like a pipe organ type look with 2x4s. And then the curved lines are 2 sine waves that are interacting. Here they're just kind of riding on top of each other. In other areas they actually crisscross and intersect. But that way, as you climb up through the building, this kind of curved line follows along with you. So it helps break up all that angularity and make it all one big space.